Who's our speaker?
I do patience too, so I can I do and also I can understand the problem better and see how much options they reach back and it made it easier for me to solve the problem.
How did it make it easier for you?
Because then I could just tell how many pumpkins are in each one, how much each one's gonna get, and then I could just make sure that all of them have the same amount of pumpkins. Each one has the same amount of pumpkins.
So which strategy do you think best fits for this kind of question? This one or this one? Like what took the most time?
The algorithm.
Why do you think the algorithm took most time?
Because in that one you can just say that 6 times 7 is 42, so you can just answer these things.
And I like what you were telling me earlier. What did you use whenever you were like dividing it? Division and
Multiplication.
how does multiplication help you with division? I think on this page. So what he had done on this page, which is kind of like what he did on one before, he made them into rows and saw that 3 by 8 is the same as like dividing, right? Whenever you multiply, what is that? What are you doing?
Adding.
It's kind of like the opposite for division, right?
Yes.
It says whenever you know your math facts, like multiplication facts, does that help you with division?
Yes.
Right? Because he knew 6 times what gives me 42? 7, right? So for some of them, it is good to know how to do it another way. But sometimes we need to use these algorithms so that we can do it in an easier way. So I heard a lot of great stories. I'm glad that you all got to share these with each other because it gets you ready for division. Did you ever realize that when you're sharing something, you're like dividing it?
Yeah.
Right? And like over here, I heard Christy, she was saying, can you share what you were saying about whenever you split something with your sister?
I get the bigger piece and I get the
Is that fair? No. Well, I think a lot of us do that sometimes. What about you? How did you say you split it up? Everyone listen to Jasmine. She's about to speak.
I split it in equal.
You split in equal? How many equal parts? 3. And so if you have, like, what are you sharing? What did you have to share?
A donut.
Like a donut. And I heard them saying like a Hershey bar. What did you do?
I draw how many candies on this chick and how many candies she has.
And so what made you use this strategy? It was easier? Why do you think it's easier?
Because when you see it, you can only count the candies that she has.
It's like a good visual, right? So can I have someone quietly raise their hand to share why they think this would be a good strategy to use? Not everyone at the same time. Arlen?
Because you can see, like, it's like when you put circles and then add, like, lines in them with the, like, express responsibility or something. She did it in pictures.
Yeah, she did in picture form, right? So I really like this strategy because, especially for ones that we only have like 1 by 1, it helps you get a visual. So it makes you think about those stories that you shared at the beginning, right? Like when Christy said like, oh, I share with my sister. She may not have done it evenly, but she knew that she had to separate them, right? To put them into 2 groups for her and her sister. So it's really good for us to use visuals if you aren't too comfortable with the algorithms yet, okay? Thank you. They're going to be happy because each friend will get
7 pumpkins!
Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to let y'all do the last one, okay? So So I want you to help your partner. Talk with your partner. Talk with each other. Share your strategies. What way works for you? You don't have to use the ones that I use. You can use whatever works for you. That's why I have you take out your multiplication charts if that helps you. Okay, and if you're done, help your partners. Look around. Does anyone else need help?
Nope.